inscribed in the scrolls of the past. I am the tale that's meant to last. Kingdoms and empires rise and fall. I am the keeper of it all. The brave and the cowards encapsulated in words. The rise of dynasties and their fall. Omnipresent, I observe it all. This is the story of glorious Golkonda. Come, I'll take you on a journey to show and share it all with you. Fort Golkonda. The name is interesting, just like its rich history. Golkonda, which means Shepherd's Hill in Telugu, inspired the name Golkonda. Next to it was a small village settlement named Mangalavaram. Adjacent to it was a huge mountain on which lies Golkonda. Constructed in the medieval period, this is one of the strongest forts of the Deccan, and it played a pivotal role in shaping the politics of the region. In the 12th century, present-day Telangana used to be known as Teling. Orugallu was its capital. It was ruled by the Kakatiya dynasty. Back then, Golkonda was under the reign of these Kakatiya kings. Kakatiyas were the indigenous Hindu rulers and were very powerful in that era. Their fame spread across many countries and started attracting foreign invaders. In these circumstances, Kakatiya King Pratap Rudra took a bold decision to defend his kingdom. I, Kakatiya King Pratap Rudra, hereby decree the further fortification of Golkonda Fort. After fortification, this fort will undoubtedly keep us safe from attacks on the Devagiri side, empowering us to fend off our enemies.
बड़ी है जंग की तैयारी एकजुट रहेंगे तो पड़ेंगे हम भारी जंग से
rulers fought with great bravery and valor for many decades to defend Warangal and Golkonda. At the end of the Kakatiya kingdom, brave native rulers like Musunuri Pralyanayak fought courageously and drove the invaders from his kingdom. But in the end, Golkonda's defense was breached. Time took a momentous turn. Alauddin Hassan Bahman Shah, a viceroy of the Delhi Sultanate, laid the foundation of the Bahmani Sultanate in the Deccan. Bahman Shah marched towards Golkonda with the dream of conquering Warangal. But he was confronted by Musunuri Kapayanayak, successor of Warangal ruler Pralyanayak. Fighting with great valor and bravery, he drove away the invaders from Golkonda and once again took possession of the fort. After 2 decades had passed, Rechirla Padmanayak King Annapota Nayak killed Musunuri Kapayanayak with the help of the Bahmani army. After this, Bahmani King Muhammad Shah annexed Warangal along with Golkonda. Thus, the dominance of the Hindu rulers in Golkonda and Warangal was ended. As history, I saw the churnings of a remarkable change at this point in time. The 14th Bahmani King Muhammad Shah's royal court is giving a warm welcome to Quli Qutub Shah from the Persian city of Hamdan. Quli Qutub Shah becomes a Subedar, an important military officer of the Bahmani kingdom. Impressed by his working style and abilities, he is made Qutubul Mulk, or Governor of Telangana, within 7 years. The estate of Golkonda is handed over to him. Golkonda etches a new signature on the pages of time. Bahmani rule ends. Quli Qutub Shah proclaims himself the Sultan of Golkonda. I, Quli Qutub Shah, declare myself the Sultan of Subai Telangana. This Sultanate will henceforth be known as Qutub Shahi Sultanate. Qila'e Golkonda will be our capital. With Sultan Quli Qutubul Mulk, the foundation of the Qutub Shahi Sultanate was laid in Telangana. Sultan Quli made Golkonda his capital, beautified the fort, and named it Muhammad Nagar.